Hi everyone, today I practice to sound a oo and oo. The first oo sound: blue, boost, ruler, moose, canoe, pool, zoo, boot, shoes, foot, moving, tooth, moon, rules, news, loosen, shoes, look, smooth, shoe, broom. Second oo sound: foot, shook, look, swoop, took, stood, book, cook, good, ooh. Thank you.